5-inch, eh?
Yes.
Shots? Cutting all that concrete with it.
That's why I treat these hoes the way I treat them.
I'd take this time to show you guys how we do our internal corners when we're doing skirtings. What we do is we get our skirt, we cut it on a 45 this way, and then we just take this end grain part out until you can only see white, and then it looks something like this one. It's got that back edge on it, and no matter if the board shrinks or moves or whatever, that will never ever show a gap. And likewise with our external corners, we cut our 45s this way, put a bit of glue on the end grain, and just butt them together, just like this one.
I treat these hoes the way I treat them.
The secret to getting nice straight holes is using a pilot hole. Also, another hot tip is to drill from both sides.
Pro tips with Jackson Hood.
Pro tips with your boy Jacko. Perfect straight hole every time. Second door lock put on. All nicely sunk, countersunk. Excellent.
Excellent.
Well, now I get to hang this cavity slider. Cavity. Got it. And then, so all you do is you tighten or loosen these little nuts up here, and that will raise and lower the roller, and then it will just get your door nice and level with the jam. Pilot hole.
Yeah.
So you get nice and close to the lines, and then you come in later and you just cut it away with a nice sharp blade. All cleaned up.
Performing diving.
Is that even on?
Yeah, baby.
Fuck yeah, it is. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off a cavity slider door. What you do is you I can't do that. If anyone wants some free tools, we leave the doors unlocked here at John Knott Building. Come in and help yourself. The address is. Let's check out what Storm's been doing all day.
Fuck all.
That's what he's been trying to make last all day.
Fuck off. I've got more than you.
Just done all the side decorative boards around the deck. It's taking him all day. Tomorrow, just over there where that crusher dust is, there's going to be a landing for us for one step off the deck, and we're going to form it up. And 2 meters by 3 meters. It's just the poles. Yeah, just pole to pole to pole to pole. Cool. Alright, how the fuck am I gonna get there? Anyway, so that was episode 17. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.